Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody is having an amazing day. As you read by the title, we are doing another collab. I am collabing with my fellow gals. The Golden Gals is what we call ourselves. We are the Golden Girls. We have been friends for quite a long time. And that, of course, is Barbara's Beauty Bag, Just Jessica, and Alice Lynn. I Love Being a Grammy. Alice, got all of us this palette right here. This is the BH Cosmetics Galaxy Chick palette. Now this palette retails for $15.75. I have the sister palette, the Aurora Lights palette, that is also a baked eyeshadow palette. This one right here. They are both baked eyeshadows. I know how this one performs, but I have not yet jumped into this one, so I am going to do that right now with this collab video. I will tell you that on Instagram, I have seen this palette go for $5 and something cents. Ladies, gentlemen, please watch what you're doing when you're on IG. It is very easily to be taken advantage of and scammed. So, watch what you're doing. Like I said, it is $15.75 for this palette. So let's go ahead and get in here and see what kind of look we can come up with. I will show you the palette again. I did show it when I got my friend mail in. This is what that palette looks like. I have been waiting to use it. There are such pretty marbleized colors in here. Let's see if I can do this without blinding y'all. These marbleized colors, oh my goodness. And this green, I have been waiting to stick my finger in. Just beautiful color. So that is what we're going to do today. I did do the rest of my face already. I did put down my P. Louise. We're not talking about her, but base, because I do enjoy this base. If you see my other video, you know what this is all about. Either way, that is what I used. I did use my powder foundation again. I also used the Lime Crime Highlight Unicorn for my highlighter. I went with the green. I did my bronzer and my blush with the Tartiste Pro Glow and Blush palette. I've been trying to use some more of my products that I don't use all the time. So that is what I have on my face. So let's go ahead and get in here and try out a look and see if this one performs just as good as the other one and what I think about it and whether it's a good deal to go pick it up. I do, of course, have my eyes primed, like I said. So, my ladies, we haven't figured out who Rose and Dorothy are. I will tell you that Jessica picked Blanche, and I, of course, picked Sophia. So, that is as far as we've gotten on our Golden Girls and who is who. So, when you watch the other ladies' videos, please do leave in their comment section whether they're Dorothy or Rose, because I'm dying to know. Just wanted to throw that out there. Alright, guys. So we're going to do something easy, simple. I do have on a rather colorful shirt today. So we're going to go ahead and play with some color. I'm going to start out in these are all shimmers also. I'm going to start out in Sun. But do comment down below. Let me know if you have got this palette. If you have used anything from BH Cosmetics. I have done another video on the Blueberry Muffin palette that was sent to me in friend mail from Busy Beauty. Absolutely love that palette. It performed very well. I do have some other BH Cosmetics palettes. I did showcase those in that video. I'm not going to do that here just for the simple fact that this is a collab video. And we are using our palettes to make a look and see what we think about them. But let's go ahead and talk about the other ladies in this collab. Alice from LYNN, I Love Being a Grammy, has been a great supporter. She did not have a channel when I started mine. She has, in fact, since had a channel and has done very well on it. She is very adventurous, very easy to follow along to in her videos, and totally loves to step out of the box. So, Miss Barbara from Barbara's Beauty Bag. She still stays in her box quite a bit. We have to pull her out a lot. She's great. She has some amazing giveaways. She has the Let's Make a Deal. Do go over and check out all of these ladies. I enjoyed their content. And then, of course, we have Just Jessica. Now, y'all know she is my girl. I love her to death. She has that dark side to her, the metal, the Marilyn Manson. Tracy is her man. He is great. He's in some videos with her. Jessica's open to a lot of things and loves to step outside of her comfort zone. I'm going to go into Electra, which is this light blue. So pretty. These colors are so pretty. I am going to use the green in here because that is what has been on my brain since I got this palette. Although the orange Venus looks stunning. And I will eventually use it, but it won't be today. For an all shimmer palette, I know that that is not something that most people wear, but you shouldn't follow everything. You should step out of your box, out of your comfort zone every now and then, and play. See what you like. Don't worry about what other people like. See what you like. What you spend your money on, what you like. So these are blending very well. They are very crystal, glittery looking. I love their baked eyeshadows. I do have another eyeshadow palette from Laura Geller that is a baked eyeshadow palette that I have yet to try. Maybe I will be trying that one soon. Alright, now I'm going to go into that green Comet color. And we're going to stick that right out here. I'm going to use my finger with that one. I will say that on these palettes, you do need to take off the top layer. There's like a film over the shadow itself that if you don't take that off, it does not perform to its best ability. I know that some palettes have that. It's not a deal breaker. It's just nice to know, and I didn't know that until I did it with my Aurora lights because I had a heck of a time getting it to work for me. And when I scraped off that top layer, it works fabulous. So if you do end up getting this palette, just know, take that top layer off. You will thank me later. Oh, such an icy look. Icy, that's what I was looking for earlier. Okay, so there's that. I'm going to take this Aphrodite purplish color, and I am going to stick that right in the middle, just for some different color. Now I'm going to take her all the way in. And it sounds like somebody's driving up the road, so the dogs are surely going to bark, because that's what they do. But please do go over and check out these other ladies. They are fantastic, and I think that you will greatly benefit from their channels. They are all consistent with uploading, and they're just sweet ladies. They're great to talk to. We talk almost on a daily basis. We do have a little chat group on IG that we talk to each other, let each other know what's going on in our life. If we need to talk about something else, whatever the case may be, I enjoy having these three ladies as a friend. Well, I don't know if that purple was the way to go. But all in all, it's there now. Okay. So for the bottom lash line, I am going to take this asteroid color and put that on the bottom lash line. It's a gray-blue marble mix. Or maybe it's purple. We're about to find out. Oh, it's a purple. Which is okay, because that coincides with what's on top. That's a pretty color. Remember, don't take your darker colors all the way in. It closes your eye off. I'm actually going to take some of that and stick it up here over that purple Aphrodite color, if it will let me. The good thing with these, if you get too high or too low, you can always just blend it away. It does blend very well. Hello, Miss Belle. Doggies are in here, as always. Okay. And then I'm going to take some of this cosmic color. It's a light purple lilac looking color. As soon as I get that top layer off. And that is what I'm going to put at the front of my eye. Just to bring some more life back in there. That's a pretty color too. all of their baked eyeshadows I have fallen in love with. They perform well. They look good. They stay throughout the day. So, I do like that. I did try a palette the other day that the mattes were great, but the shimmers before 4 hours wore off. Stay tuned and you will find out what palette that is. But for this one, it's a winner for me. I like it. I just added a little bit of that Cosmic on top. I made that purple just a little bit darker than I would have wanted it to be. But this is a great palette. I will definitely be using this again. So Alice, thank you for sending that my way. I love it. Like I said, I already had a baked highlighting. I'd already had a baked eyeshadow palette from them. So I knew if that one worked good, that this one would work great. And I was right. It works fabulously. Let's go ahead and do an inner corner. My brow bone. I'm going to finish that and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so here is our finished look. I will let you know that I used the Diamond Wet Supreme Frost for my inner corner. I did some Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect. I used Jeffree Star's Calabasas Lip Liner. And then the LA Girl Color in Dusty Rose to finish out my look, along with the LA Girl Shockwave Neon Eyeliner in Blaze, which gave it just that little purple punch that I was looking for with the purple that we changed 4 or 5 times. Either way, this is my look. I think it came out beautiful. I will be rocking this look all the way to Walmart today. Gotta go get some dog food. But other than that, like I said, thank you for allowing me to be included in your collab. I always love to do collabs with y'all. It's always such a great time. Please do go check them out. They are fabulous. I will leave their channels down in the description box. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Becca. Thanks for joining. Please do hit that subscribe button if you enjoyed the video or if you would enjoy more videos from me. If you like collab videos or like this look, give me a thumbs up. If you don't, give me a thumbs down. And until next time, guys, that is my video. So, y'all take care. Love you. Bye.